We are traveling into the land lost in time. And we're looking for some Jeep parts today that we need. How's this for some parts, kittens? Jeep lovers everywhere. All kinds of goods. Yep, lots of goods. Oh boy. All kinds of vintage goods, gas tanks, compressors, stack of non-directional tires over there, Dodge Power Wagon front end, all kinds of old man greatness. Anybody need some Jeeps and tubs? We've got a few. And they're mostly hammered. See a couple CJs, couple military, couple just messed up pups. But we love them. Cadillacs and old artillery rims up in there. Here's an old Dodge flatbed. And there's some more old beaters in the background. A little everything. Again, you just gotta know what you're looking for and what you want. But yeah, cool stuff that you just don't see anymore. Turn of the century, the new stuff's not appealing to the younger generation. Anyway, like I said, land lost in time. Old aircraft landing wheel here. Shoot. Nifty. Another 29 or 8 or 30 Ford COE truck. And another GMCs, Chevrolets, frames. There's an old war truck. Petaluma pumping well over there. Neat old Dodge. Probably 4950, I would imagine. If you're looking for something cool, get a hold of me on my YouTube webpage, NapaValleyRestorations.com, and I can maybe help you out. It's by appointment only, of course. A treasure like this needs to be kept secret. It's a lot of cool stuff, internationals, Chevys, Dodges, old trucks, equipment. If you're looking for Cadillacs, an REO truck or Diamond T. Yeah, a lot of Cadillacs down there. If you like military Jeeps, here we go. This is where it all starts. So if you're looking for a Jeep, or Jeep parts, get a hold of me. I know where they're at. Yeah, this one's seen better days, but hey, what the heck. Good old Jeeparoonie. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying all this. Again, let me know if there's something you see that you gotta have. Everything can be acquired and had. Here's kind of a cool section, all the old tractors. These are really neat. The old 3 ends or 9 ends or 8 ends, whatever the hell they are, 5 ends. There's a cool old little aircraft hauler. Be a great little Jenny for somebody to tow their P-51 Mustang behind or something. Again, more tractors, old equipment. You know, to a lot of people it's just scrap, but you know, stuff represents the real America when we actually made stuff here and produced stuff besides. Yeah, really cool. All right, thanks for looking.